All right, Marilyn, what kind of fish is it?
I don't know.
You can ask for clues.
Give me a clue.
It's a small fish. I caught it in the river.
Is it mullet?
No. I caught it on shrimp.
Perch?
It is a sand perch.
Oh. Would not have guessed that. It's delicious.
All right. Guys excited for dinner?
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week, the weather has not been ideal. It's been really windy, the water has been dirty. We called friends all over the state and there's nowhere to really dive. So Richie and I have been trying to hook and line fish this week. He went home this morning and I went out for about an hour today. A friend of mine told me that if you mix oatmeal and water and throw it in the water, then it chums up sheep's head. So out of curiosity, I went ahead and tried that today, except I threw a bunch of other stuff in there just for fun. I had some rice that I used to try to save the foam that got in the water and a little bit of oatmeal, and I blended up some old shrimp and stirred it up with sand and threw it in the water, and I have to say, I wasn't super impressed. I brought a cast net hoping it would chum the fish up enough I could just throw a cast net and have a bunch, but I didn't see any. I did catch this guy though, and I'm gonna turn him into ceviche, so hope you enjoy. So I have to say I wasn't super impressed with the chum that I put out today. I don't know if it's the location I was at or if I didn't have enough chum, but if anybody has some advice for good chum that can chum up either snapper or sheep's head, let me know in the comments below.